Okay, guys, welcome. So here we are at the right angle cross of the four ways. Slowly, we're moving. So we come to the end of the quarter and we arrive at the right angle cross of the four ways. We know that all quarters begin with the swings. They're divided by the vessel and they end up with the four ways. Here we are at the end of duality. And to really understand where we have arrived, all you need to do is look at the heading of the 44 gate, because it truly is the secret to all relationships. It says the success of any interaction is based on the absence of any preconditions. Now, think about that. If you look at the mirror, in other words, if you go instead of from the 40th gate to 44 gate, you drop into the emotional side of the 37 gate. You will see that there is no way that interaction can be based on the absence of any preconditions, that the conditions are being established on the emotional side. But there's something deep in the knowing of the 44 that will emerge when the 37 is truly born as intelligence rather than emotion. It's that there can never be any preconditions, never ever. This is the only way in which we can be one of the other. And this is the way of the preconditions. It doesn't mean that conditions cannot be established. That's very important to grasp. And everything about the 44 gate and its so called gate of manipulation is to understand that manipulation is trying to build successfully. And what happened? I'm not saying that well. The 44 gate recognized that without the cooperation of the 26, that there's no way that the tribe is going to have the resources that it needs. This is what the 44 knows as well, that the ego is something that can never be controlled. You cannot place conditions on the ego, but you can wrap the ego into living with conditions. But it's entirely dependent on the relationship between the 26 and the 24. 44. The tribal core around which we have framed the individual and the collective, this is the core, and it holds the core together. It maintains the continuity by saying, okay, no precondition, let's see if we can work together. This stream of instinct is a stream that has deep material values attached to it.